Hello and welcome to the Picto Animation Toolkit tutorial. The first thing I want to show you is how to customize a character. Let's go and choose the first character, which is Picto 1. By double-clicking the Picto 1 controls, you go to this control panel. In this control panel, by selecting the layer controls, you can see every customization you can do with this Picto. First is if you want to be a man or a woman. By checking this box, it is a woman, uncheck it's a man. Then you have to decide if you have eyes on the Picto or not. In my presentation video, the Picto has no eyes. In case you want the eyes, you can select the color here for the eyes. The line width is for these lines here, which are transparent in the background. So, if you don't like the lines, you have to be in 0, or if you like the lines, 4. I use number 3. For the width of the lines. Head color can be any color you like. Legs color can be the same. Hands color. Body color. So here is the hat number. Hat number means that here in the control panel you have to choose 1 to 12 if you want to have a hat. Number 0 is none. Let's say we choose hat number 6. Like this. Hat color. The hat has two colors. This one and a secondary color, which can be a yellow one. Okay. Hair number. If you like to have hair, you have to choose from hair 1 to hair 12, the same as the hats. Let's say we choose to have a hair number 7. Okay, and let's make him blonde, like this. Okay, jacket color. Jackets are here. There are 4 jackets. Jacket number, let's say it's number 1. And the color might be similar with a hat, like this. Body accessories and body accessories color. The accessories, body accessories are here, 1 to 12. So we choose number 5, let's say. No, this is a policeman. This one is good. And we choose a color like this. Okay. Mustache number. If you like to have a mustache, you have to choose from 1 to 7. Let's choose number 6. Like this. Okay. Mustache color. Maybe it's a good idea to be like his hair. Okay. Head accessory number. Head accessory number is here if you like to have glasses, let's say. Glasses number, sunglasses are number 3. Okay. And if you like to affect the color of the glasses, you can have it here. If you don't like, if your colors you're choosing are similar with a background, you can change background color too, like this, in order to have better precision to the colors you choose. Okay, that's the customization, that's how the customization of the Picto works. You can benefit from these colors here. I haven't chosen, so let's say we want his legs to have this color. You can place the color picker to these colors if you like. Okay, this is how to customize the Picto. Here are 20 Picto, men, women, even Santa Claus. Here, Picto ready, customized, and you can see this in the character guide. Here is Picto 1, 2 to 20. So you can customize the already customized Pictos or make your own. A quick tip is, if you decide to make a story with a Picto, it's a good idea to delete the 20 Pictos and keep the Pictos you have customized or the Pictos you are using for your movie. Project will be lighter and quicker to work with. So this is the character guide. We talk about the customization. Let's see here the elements you can use. Here in the assets, I have made and pre-animate more than 140 elements to fit your story. In a future upgrade, more elements will be here. Elements are divided into categories. Here you can see badges, ribbons, bubbles, business icons, currency symbols, and lot of elements here. If we double click in the all elements with controls here, you can see all the categories and all the elements divided 6 and then 6. Here is the category name, but you can see that this category is all accommodation or transportation here, as you see. So here you have color controls to affect the colors of the elements. Element color 1, let's see how it works. Let's say we choose a light yellow. No, it's not a good idea. Let's have it like this. Okay. Element color 2. Element color 3, 4, 5, and there are some gradients. Here is the gradient number 1, the ramp 1, color 1, ramp 1, color 2. There are 2 ramps. Here's the first color of the first ramp. Here you see ramp number 1. Let's see how it works. Okay. Transition color 1, transition color 2, text color 1 to 4. So if you go to the text here, let's say, and you want to change the color, you want to have green colors and pink here. So this way affects the text. Transitions, transition color 1 and 2. Let's say we use the pixel, the picker to have the green one and the pink one here. So you can change the colors here for the elements. All elements controls are here. We talked about the character guide, and then we have to see the animations. Every Picto has 58 ready animations. Here in the Picto 1 we learn the controls here. You can see that he has 58 animations here. From say hi to sit relax, sneeze, a lot of moves you can use. Walk, run, many moves. Every Picto, when is customized here, you can see that if you see this animation, you can see that the Picto has already, in every animation, has the colors we choose in the color control and the dressing we did. Like here, driving the scooter. As you see, the scooter as an element has the green color we choose here in the all elements control. If we go to ramp color and change here to blue, you can see that his scooter will be, where is the scooter? Here. The scooter now turned into blue. So the scooter is an element, and in this way gets his color from the all element controls. In your story, here is a composition called Make Your Story. If you take this Picto driving his scooter, let's see, reveal composition in project. If you go to your story and have this Picto here, you can scale it down, and in case you want to his scooter to go from the other side, it's a good idea to go to Effect Presets and write flop. You can drag the flop, and in this way he goes from left to right. You put keyframes here from the start and from the end, so he goes this way. If you don't want the flop, delete the effect. Okay. In the folder Assets, there is a folder here called Backgrounds. I have prepared 10 backgrounds here to cover your needs. Here is the home interior background. If you double click, you can see that it consists of many elements, like the pictures, like the window, the floor lamp here. Everything is pre-animating in and out, as you see. Here we have affected in the all background, in the all element control, we have affected the colors. That's why you see these green colors. Let's fix that. Let's close the scooter and other animation we've seen. So in the home interior, you can rearrange the room. Let's say you don't want a window, you can delete it, close it. Or let's say you want to move the sofa. Let's say you want to move the sofa. The sofa is with the sit and relaxed Picto, so you can move it. I have another sofa here in case you don't need the Picto sitting. So there's another sofa behind the Picto sitting in the sofa. Let's see, there is an interior number 2. The same way, you double click and see what's inside. You can change the Pictos, you can delete the Pictos, you can rearrange the room and do whatever your needs are. An office, there's a bank, there's a shop, a studio and a toilet. Okay, that's the main features I can show you in such, it's a 15 minutes already tutorial, but these are the main features of these projects. So, Thanks for buying, and I hope you like my story.